going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to add audio in Canva. And if you find this guide helpful, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. Start by opening up Canva and select the design in which you would like to add audio. We are going to add a voice memo to a presentation. Once you open up the design, you can then click on the Uploads tab on the side toolbar. I will then click record yourself and we are going to record a talking head. If you just want to record audio, you can go ahead and switch off your camera and then hit the record button. You can record the audio that you would like to add to the design and then click done and exit studio. You will go ahead and click save and exit, and then the audio will automatically be added onto your design. And that's how you add audio in Canva.